Hey Mr. Too Hard to See PT and anybody else out there that did this key swap, I have a challenge for you. How do you get the battery out to change it? That's very interesting. And what is he asking about specifically? Switched over to this key fob because it's harder, plastic and everything, and he wants to know how to get the battery out of the back of it. So let me show you. Here we are. Again, this is the key fob that everybody's switching over to because this is a hard plastic compared to the rubber buttons of the old. And the battery is in the back, right here under this compartment. So what you have to do is you have to take something and pry up underneath the cover, right? That comes right off. Set it over to the side. Now if you look at the battery compartment, it looks like one of those Chinese torture puzzles, right? Got a lip there that holds it in, lip there that holds it in. Well, if you look at the lips, you got a really small one right there and a really big one right there. So you know you can't take it out that way. So just take a fingernail or something small. Let me get something small. Hold on. Trimmed my nails last night. I can't do it. They're not long enough. If you take something small and go in right here, right? Just pry up, it pops right out. Couldn't be simpler. Hope it helps.